Okay, so I'm going to just give a shout out to Jake Shadows, showing him that I can solve the Rubik's Cube blindfolded. Because I know he was talking about it in the last live stream. Shout out to you, buddy. I'm sorry. There's the hi. I'm looking over here because that's where the play and pause button is, but right there's the camera. Hi. But first I'll solve it blindfolded, why I'm going to solve it after that, I'm going to solve it just normal. But the reason I'm going to solve it normal too is because the last video that I took, whenever I was like this and I had them on, okay? Here, I'll show you. Can't see. Come on. Okay, so there's no way you can see through this, correct? Here. So hard. Just can't do it. Yeah. Okay, no way you can see through it. I will promise you that I don't lie. But, okay, so now we have this. I want to solve it first, blindfolded. Okay, but it might be down here, so I'm sorry. Next time I'll mix it up and I'll have it up here. Okay? 3, 2, 1. I gotta inspect it. Hold on, my mom might be coming out. Okay, thanks. Alright, let's do this. Make sure it's facing our way. 1, over, up. Spin it once. Look it that way. Pick it up. Spin it 360. Turn it. Yeah, right here. And then I think that would be correct. Scientifically correct. Just to make sure, I'm pretty sure that's correct. Okay, I'm just spinning out for no reason. I'm pretty sure I have to take one from the top. Take the final corner. Oh, I forgot where I placed it. There. I think. If that's incorrect, I'm going to be so mad. I don't want to take this video again. I really don't feel like it. Nope, back 2. I went forward 6 on accident. 5. 4. No, never mind, I'm sorry. That's why I need to do that. Back on 3, 4, and 1. I believe that's the correct way to make a cross. That's like the hardest part for me. I almost had to guess there. So I almost failed. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 right here. Like this. Whew, yes, I did do it. Cool. Yes, I thought I would fail. Alright, but let's go ahead and mix it up again. Alright, I see. I couldn't find where it was. Okay, but it's already mixed up. Alright. Guys, trust me? I really hope you do, because there's no way I could cheat this. How would it be solved in the first place? I mean, there's no other Rubik cubes around here. Yeah. Here. Face cam. Hey. No. Alright, but let's try this. Okay, so this is not blindfolded. Hold on. Okay, that was my brother. Sorry for that. Yes, I do have a brother, if you guys didn't know. Oh, well, I forgot what I was doing. But yeah, so if I keep solving the cube, then I should be able to finalize it here pretty soon. Remember, Jake Shadows, you should make a video too, or some sort of way that you could even do it like this. You don't want to show your face. I don't really care. My parents don't care. Turn it that way. The better part about solving it not blindfolded is because you don't have to memorize everything. Yeah, my brother's in the background playing Geometry Dash. I know Jake Shadows would know that. You know that sound, don't you, Jake Shadows? Move. Ha! Bed. Alright, let me finish solving the cube. I just messed that up well. That was stupid of me. Up, it down. Swing it right round. That should be it. Yep. Sorry, I solved this one a lot slower than I normally would. This part I don't even have to look. I look in the camera, but yeah. Okay. Thank you. Bye.